Waiting there inside that bag. Now, baby, who put that baby inside there? Who beat you? Now you put that. Somebody beat her. You put her, carry the go where?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about one guy wey go thief baby wey they just catch. Hey, area don scatter, oh my darling people. Oh, not the way person not go see for this social media, oh my darling people. Not the way person not go see. Can you imagine say a guy, if the same una go find work, una not go find. Una go the one go the thief babies, go the rob they go. Now wow, not the way person not go see for this social media, my darling people. Oh, this guy the cash away he go thief baby. I go play my fair play and finish, then I will go analyze them for una.
Go give your auntie. I better remove that Pikin for inside that bag. Remove that Pikin for inside that bag. Madam, now person, this Pikin is still alive. It's still alive. And you put that inside bag.
Thank God. Oh.
Even this one, the Pikin there too. I remove her for inside bag. Remove her for inside bag. Remove her for inside bag.
Now wow, my darling people, oh, the babies now two babies, my darling people. Not the way person not go see for this social media. Wetin go come make this man now go thief baby? Now wow, to root out beke, oh, my darling people, oh, not the way person not go see for this social media. Our brother kidnappers them. No, na Naija there, na the thief for the start. When it be say all those our youth of nowadays, they not go fit find work they do. They not go fit find better thing they do with their life. My darling people, this one shockalize me. Two babies, now this guy and he co-worker them go put for inside bag. Thank God, one the baby never meme. Now be the God. When me, I dey happy say, thank God say the baby never just go, he never die. My darling people, not the way person not go see you. Mothers abeg, more una dey carry eye follow una pikin, no, especially when there be babies like this. Make una dey carry eye dey follow them. Not the way person not go see for this social media. My darling people, this one it shockalize me. It shocked me like seriously. Wetin go make this man now go thief babies, go thief them because he want go sell and give all those big men there. Where be said that they use all those babies, say they do money ritual. Now that they use them, they do because if not, wetin go come make this guy now? Where be say now young guy we're supposed to they look for work when you go they work now he can say no, say he choose to they kidnap children. My darling people, this one shocked me like seriously. This one, since when I thought they talk news, now this one can't even shock me pass. Hey, say a young guy say now to go they thief children, now go come be in work for life. My darling people, how now raising this matter? This one shockalize me like seriously. It shocked me. I never see this kind of thing for my life. My darling people, eh? Hey! Now, wow! Mga bunga people. Wait till una think about this video. I beg, more na help me share this video. Mothers, please make una. They carry una children. They hide for kidnappers them. You see young guys go they play come your house. Una know the way yahoo they reign for Nigeria now. We be say people go want make money fast. Nobody want work again. Oh, nobody want work again. Everybody want just go fastly. Make they say make money. Now they cause this kind of thing for many people body. Work they not go want work. Do better thing for your life, they not go want do. Go learn work, you must not go school. Go learn work, na problem for una. Una wan go do wetin una mate dey do now. Una go come enter one chance. My darling people, wetin una think about this video? Wetin una think oh? Supposing they not catch this one now. And so these two children now, people, the mothers go they cry. I not see my pikin no. I not see my pikin no. You no go know say, oh, Sakpolo wey dey near us there. You don't carry pikin run no. You don't carry pikin run. Now so una go just sit down now. Una go begin to look for una pikin. Una not go know say kidnappers they don't carry children. They don't carry a base. If not be say they catch this one now, wetin una think say for build those children faith now? Wetin una think say for build those children faith? They for not go just like that. Just like that. And now it alone they call arrivederci. We for not see these children again now. Thank God for the people where catch them. I believe that the children begin to cry for inside the bag where they put them. Now he make the quick no say pikin dey inside this bag. Normal human being no go carry pikin put for inside bag where they take the buy something for market. Now they take cash they so. My darling people, my ogbonge people, I not go fit put this video for here because of security reasons. You understand? So this video, anybody will need that. If he ask me, I go send and give her. But for me to put the video here, no, I not fit put am because of YouTube law. YouTube not go agree make the video enter. My darling people, not the way person not go see for this social media, oh, not the way Musa not go see for ghetto. This one shockalize me. This one shock me. Hey, now wow, this is the apple for this world, oh. This they read the apple for this world. Hey, why I dey do this video now be say, if you see anybody they play kukukere waka for your area, may you carry eye follow am. Either they say na make come carry your cloth, or they say na make come carry your pikin, or they say na make come rob for your house. You just carry eye follow am. Especially these things wey call the apple now. I know say Christmas they come now. So people go want do kidnapping, follow everywhere now. And now their way just come be that one now. Una understand? So now he make everybody have to be careful. Pray for your pikin so that may God blind their eye if they want to reach where your pikin dey. Pray for your pikin and share this video, please. Share it. More than not just they listen to all those saga. This video they very, very important. Please share this video. Let this video go viral. Anything you want to think about this video, more than leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.